this together. All right, so this is not the best example of a pad. Damn, the best example of a pad would be Josh's. So I'm gonna steal Josh's from him. So, you have the dimensions of the pad. Everyone take a look. So this is the 72-inch side. This is the 80-inch side. So this the lighter side, the darker side. Not all pads have a lighter or darker, but all pads have a 72 by an 80. So I want to put the darker side towards my belly. I want to put the 80-inch side up towards up towards the sky. Fold it in half one time. Cha cha. Then I'm going to take the folded side to my left hand. Taking the whole pad up, fold side up. Fold it in half once more. Fold it in half once more. And sometimes the inside falls in, so I just pull it out a little.
I get those flips.
And then we all put it right on top of each other, just like that.